Hey, I'm Katie with WTI, and this poncho by Melliflo is my secret weapon to my fall wardrobe. I have been having so much fun wearing this poncho. I love that I can go from classy and dressy to running to the gym and still be able to wear this poncho. It is so soft and so lightweight, and I love that I can wear it over tank tops, over sweaters, over dresses, and it is always comfortable and always looks good. It even is fun to pair it with a bright red belt just to give it a little sass. The fabric blend is so soft and even just a little bit bouncy. I really appreciate that it doesn't stick to my other fabrics, making it uncomfortable and awkward looking to wear. It's nice and loose and oversized without being baggy. It does definitely add a layer of warmth to any outfit, but it's not heavy, and I wouldn't rely on just this on a truly cold day. But on a breezy, cool fall or spring day, this is perfect, and that's my point of view.